No, there's no such thing as wearing too much yellow. Except your teeth. You don't want yellow teeth or yellow underwear, unless you're into that. Okay, it kind of feels warm, but I recommend if you got white undies on right now, don't make them yellow. Just keep them white all day. And your teeth. Brush most of your teeth at least once a day. Okay, do 2 times if you got the time. All right. First of all, thanks for watching my videos. With Save Club, I've had a great experience. I'm on week number 3. I've cracked the top 10 on the leaderboard, and I've met some really nice people already. Okay, I haven't met them in person, but it's kind of fun just to go back and forth, ask some questions, see where they live, either in America or they could live in Canada. All right, I got some folks that live about 6,000 miles away from me. Man, that's far, huh? But anyway, I'll show you some results. And every day, and I ask for people to ask me questions. Okay, I learn a lot from you. Because if a lot of people have the same questions all the time, I make videos answering to the best of my ability of what their question is. That way I'm not typing the same thing and you can always get with support at saveclub.com, but that's more technical. It's like, okay, my credit card or my cryptocurrency or the website, how do I do this? Okay. I think it's very easy to sign up. Okay. Recruit. I'm going to show you what I do real quick. But when it comes to support with the company, just remember it's more about the technical thing. I'm the guy you get a hold of on the marketing side. Just inviting people to click a link to watch a short video. That's it at the end of the day. Okay, so let me show you what I do. Okay, guys? All right. I get business cards. Everybody knows I go to Vistaprint. If you watch my videos, I'm a big fan of just getting $22 worth of a big old box that you'll probably never run out of. But if someone on the street ever asks you about Save Club, please don't talk about it. You're going to have a headache. Whatever you tell people, they're all going to forget anyway. So what I suggest is get yourself a domain, ilovesaveclub.com. They're $12.17 if they're not taken. Okay, that's out the door. And for free, GoDaddy will forward this to a capture page. Now, if you sign up as an affiliate, it's $60. You're going to get this website. You can put your name right there where I put mine or your business. But this is the video. It's 6 minutes. It's hosted by Charles Moy. He is our bad boy founder. But he tells you everything you need to know. Are you in, out, or maybe? Okay, so watch that video. And guys, if you need more information, just fill this out here. Okay, so if you want to join, fill this out and hit that orange button. Okay, then open up the email from Save Club. Get a username, password, configure your bank or crypto, because we get paid every Friday. Okay, so $60, you're an affiliate, $19.97. So $20 minus 3 pennies. You're a member. You can save some money. We have thousands and thousands of opportunities for you to save on things you're already buying or maybe buying in the future. Now, if you want more information too, fill this out and just hit the orange button as well. Same process, okay? So what do I do to keep this kind of fun and simple? Business cards, $22. GoDaddy domain name, $12.17. I've had this email forever. So I just put Cory at CoryDraper.com because I like when you email me. All right, makes me feel special. Okay, and then obviously you've just seen this page. I call it the capture page, but when you log in, you're going to go to this page right here. Do you see where it says websites? When you click it, you're going to go to the second one. Okay, and this link right here, saveclubtour.com, if you notice, it's right there. Okay, that's what I tell GoDaddy to forward for free my domain. Okay, so GoDaddy, will you forward my new domain to this link right here? So in your case, you're going to log in after you sign up. Remember, go to the websites link. You're going to scroll down, hit that little button right there. Boom. Or just read it over the phone. Just say, hey, GoDaddy, what's happening? saveclubtour.com/Cory Draper. Can you forward my new domain? And they'll go, you bet, kid. And guess what? It takes about 5-10 minutes. So when you type in ilovesaveclub.com, that's why it goes to this page right here, okay? So anyway, this is the back office, all right? Go through it all after you sign up. Your membership, you can sign up by the month or the year. If you sign up for 1 year, like right from the get-go, you're VIP and you make bigger commissions. I'll just leave it at that. It just depends. Do you want to sign up by the month or the year? It's up to you. Okay. I did the year because I want to make bigger commissions. My deals, this is the link you click when you want to just search around planet Earth to save on flights, hotels, food. God, there's thousands of categories, guys. You'll spend 10 hours. So click my deals and have fun. My info, that's just, your information. Just put things in and make sure it's all accurate. Your order history. Right now, mine is basically I signed up for the month and then I upgraded to the year. My team is everybody that's already signed up with me. And this is personal information. I'd click this, but it shows my downline or my group, My referrals, this shows people that have pre-enrolled or have signed up with me. It shows their personal information as well. My enrollers, who I signed up with. Leaderboard's kind of fun. You can see what's going on worldwide. You can see right now I just hit number 8. I'm number 8 in the world on the leaderboard. So thanks, guys, for signing up. I've got about 71 people just personally signed up, and they've got a couple people all signed up. So I got a real nice group already kind of coming aboard right now. So very exciting. And that is under the leaderboard. Okay. My websites, that's where you can get your capture page. It's called the Powerline landing page, but anyway, you'll figure it out. Statistics is always fun. You can see today is May 13th. I've had 3 people pre-enroll, and I've already had 4 people upgrade. Okay, so thank you guys. Right, I sent an email to the people that pre-enrolled, and I sent an email too for people that upgrade, just showing, hey, I'm a real guy. This is what I do. Thank you so much, and just high five. But it's up to you on what you want to email people. Okay, and if you need help, just let me know. I don't mind showing you what I email my downline or people that pre-enroll. But it's nice to reach out. Don't be shy too, guys. You're going to meet the nicest people who go ahead and sign up with you, or at least just look at it by pre-enrolling, okay? So my earnings, this is important, okay? When you click my earnings, do you see this button here? It says select your payment option. You need to click this and configure your bank or cryptocurrency. You guys figure it out. But in America, most of us just configure with a bank. But if you live anywhere on planet Earth and you don't have banks and stuff, just use cryptocurrency. All right? It's super, super cool. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. All right? So anyway, it's up to you. Okay, let's see. Okay, contact us. Just remember, if there's anything technical or if you have a financial question like, hey, my credit card isn't going through, or how do I do the cryptocurrency thing, just go support@saveclub.com. I have Jeremy help me all the time. Cool cat. Okay. Okay, log out, obviously. That's if you want to log out. Most people just hit the X. Okay. Now, right here, pay plan. This is one of my most requested things is, what is the pay plan? How are you making money, Cory? Well, if people sign up today, I get 20 to 32 bucks. So thank you. It's like buying me breakfast, lunch, or dinner. There's 5 ways we get paid. But I want you to go to saveclub.com. Pay plan. See that right there? Go ahead and click that little button there, Bubba. All right. And just go through. I like number 1. Okay, number 1 is where I make 20 to 32 bucks. All right. Number 2. All right. You can check that out. The matrix commissions. All right. This is all just, you get 2.5. Basically, you get 50 cents here and there, and it all adds up, believe me. But this is my favorite. Generational matching bonuses. That's hard to say. Try to say it. Ready? Generational matching bonuses. Okay. This is where I can make something on my whole entire downline. And this is what you're going to probably really like is number 3. Okay. So when you go to the saveclub.com/pay plan, focus on number 1 and 3 for right now. And the company's coming up with a really nice pay plan video. And it's going to be in this back page. So when you hit the pay plan link, go ahead and just scroll to the bottom of this page pretty soon. And there'll be a nice video that shows you the pay plan. But right now you got this pain in the ass, super boring page right now I'm showing you. But focus on 1 and 3. Number 4 is great. Okay, you get more bonuses if you sign up by the year. 10, 3, 5. I'm not focusing on that. And it's nice. The leadership bonus pools. Right now I think I'm a 3-star. All right, and it just means I get a nice little something. All right, we get paid every Friday, and it's nice to know that the company pulls 4% total from the total income of memberships and the affiliate fees. Okay, and if there's a big old pile of money, okay, we dice it up a little bit. 1% to the 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 5-star peeps. Okay. I'm 3-star now and I should be 4-star down the road. But it's nice to make a pile of extra money by just signing up one person at a time. But please don't get caught up in the pay plan. Just focus on signing up one person at a time. And when we get paid every Friday, all this that I'm showing you right now, scrolling, it's all figured out for you. Okay, but the easy thing to do now, well, the easy thing for me is just to go saveclub.com/pay plan. Okay. All right. Now, hopefully you can get some results coming in. Thank you if you're one of the 3 or the 4 people that upgraded. That makes me feel good. And I'll just leave you with my card. I love saveclub.com. Go there right now, guys, and just go ahead and fill in the contact information. Watch the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, you're either in, out, or on the fence. You just need more info, okay, and I understand. So, all right, my work is done. You guys, thanks again for watching all my stuff called videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Boom. That's it. I feel like a rock and roller, man. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And get a hold of me if I can do something for you. I ain't too shy, you know. All right. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye.